Hey everybody, it's Laura Arcuri with Simply Vegas, Las Vegas Realtor. Today I have you out in Summerlin. This is called Mesa View. We are looking at a two-story mid-century home that's in the mid-800s. This is going to be a guard-gated neighborhood. You're going to love this. Right now there is one bedroom down, but you can convert the tandem area in the 3-car garage into another bedroom, so you would have 2 bedrooms down. Let's go take a look. The open floor plan of the Keystone is amazing, and the height of the ceilings, there are so many things you can do with this home. And don't forget, in this neighborhood at Mesa Ridge, it will be guard gated. There's going to be bocce ball, they're going to have a community pool, clubhouse, and fitness center. Again, I'm Laura Arcuri, and thank you for watching.